Hi guys, this is how you set up your Node Inspector tunnel. I'm going to send you an SSH key to reach our web-facing server to do this. Once you get it, these are the steps that you need to follow. We start with the SSH key. We need to put that in here into this environment. So to do that, we cat it out to iPoint RSA. Now you'll need to put the SSH key into your clipboard by whatever means you can. It's just a text file, so if you open it up in a text editor and just copy the contents, that'll work for you. Get into your clipboard and just click into this environment, and you want to press Control Shift and V. Control Shift V, and it gets into the terminal. So you go. Next thing is to chmod it. chmod 600 iPoint RSA. Often SSH complains if you have too wide an access to your file. So the next thing to do is you just want to check that you can actually SSH into the tunnel machine. -i point RSA iPoint. Right, okay, so you can SSH in. Now we just set up a tunnel. Slightly different command. -i iPoint RSA -NT. That just means you don't bring up a TTY terminal into the tunnel machine. And then -OR 9229. This is the first 9229 is the port of the remote server that you want to port forward to. And the second is the port of Node Inspector. If you can change any of those, that's perfectly fine. And important then the ampersand after the command to run it in the background. So don't worry about this spewing out. That just means that we haven't started the node process yet. Type in jobs, we can see it there running away in the background. So the next thing to do is to run node with inspector. So that's node space -- inspect space index.js. That can exactly make it very easy to print. So that's now set up and tunneling away. The next thing you want to do is actually open up inspector. So to do that, let's see if I can bring this down here so you can see it. Oops. So to bring up Node Inspector, go into your Chrome browser and type in Chrome ://inspect. Now you need to click on Configure here and enter in the tunnel address. So that's the server that you're port forwarding to, and that's the port. If you've changed the port, obviously you want to change that too. You're done. When you do that, you'll see this showing up. Sorry. You'll see these last few lines here, the target in index.js showing up, and if you click on inspect, bring up your debugging console. Now you probably will have this thing open just looking like this, and to find index.js you click here, open file, and just type in index.js. You see here /microservice index.js shows up in the list, and you can hit your breakpoint here. Okay, so now if we go back excuse me, to development environment, we can click send, and immediately that brings forward the debugger breaking on the breakpoint that you've got, and you can click resume script execution or step over, all what you're used to. Again, if you don't have a file open that you want to open, back in here and you'll find it. Click play here, and this is what comes out the other end. So give that a try and let me know how you get on.